Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import MetaMask to Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top left hand corner and then tap on Wallets. Now in the wallets, you are going to see this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So if you tap on this plus icon, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where it will ask you to create a new wallet or you can add even existing one. So as we want to import our MetaMask wallet, you will have to select the second option of add existing wallet. Then it will show you a bunch of different options and that would help you to add your existing wallet. So if you remember your MetaMask wallet's 12 keyword phrase, then you can select the first option. You can even add your account using your Face ID and fingerprint and with your Google Drive backup and view only wallets. So you just have to select the first option which says secret phrase. After that, it will ask you to select the network. So among the given options, you just have to select the networks that you want. For this video, I'm going to select it as a multi-coin wallet. Then it will ask you to add the secret phrase in this section. So you just have to add the MetaMask secret phrase in this section and then you just have to tap on the restore wallet option. This way you will be able to easily import your MetaMask into Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.